Say hi, boys. Say hi, boys.
Oh.
Say hi to your friends. Hi, friends. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cleaning video. Comment down below if you actually enjoy these videos. I personally do, and I feel like it gives you guys an idea of what's going on behind the scenes at our house. So today we're gonna be doing a super deep cleaning, decluttering in my closet. This major clean out is a must. I'm gonna be going through every single drawer, every single cabinet. We're pretty much gonna Maria Kondo my entire closet. I actually want to pull everything out and go through every single thing one by one and then get rid of what I don't need anymore. There's a lot of clothes in there that I'm just not gonna wear anymore and I want to donate them. So that's kind of the goal. It is a mess right now in there, I'm not gonna lie. There is so much laundry that needs to be done. There's clothes everywhere. It's just really crazy. So I figured, you know, let's clean together. Let's do this. You guys love cleaning videos. I like cleaning videos. And I know it might motivate some of you guys to deep clean certain spaces in your house. I know for me, these kind of videos get me excited. I like being organized. I love having a clean space. It allows me to be more creative. It allows me to just feel at ease. I'm also a Virgo, so I love cleaning as it is, but I just like having an organized space. I feel like it allows me to have control of one aspect of my life. And I feel like at ease. I go to bed just relax. We're gonna go ahead and start in the closet. Most of the video is gonna be probably like a time lapse, slight voiceover. I'll come in here and there and explain to you guys what I'm doing. But overall, we're just gonna watch me clean and I'm excited and I hope you are too. So if you guys are into cleaning videos, makeup videos, hair videos, fashion, drinking, some of me and Sebas, which is my boyfriend, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We always come up with fun videos. If you guys have been here for a while, thank you so much. Los quiero mucho. We love you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. There is definitely two sides of me. So this is one and this is the other. We're gonna have to pull everything out of the closet, all the clothes, all the shoes, all the bags, everything's gonna be coming out. But before we do that, I'm gonna need to get all of this situated. So I'm gonna start actually creating piles on the floor, shirts on one side, pants on the other side, shoes on one side, and so on. That way we kind of have an idea of where everything is going to go. And then when I take out the category, it'll be easy to put it where it needs to go or donate it if I decide to donate it. So yeah, let's get into this. Update. This is where we're at right now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling everything out of the closet. I might regret this. So I'm gonna start off, I don't even know. I think we'll start off with the jeans. We'll go from this side and on. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start off by pulling everything out of the closet, starting on my bottoms, and I'm just gonna reorganizing them and refolding them. I have this really cool kind of folding method that I was taught by someone. I'll show you guys later, but I'm just putting them on these hangers, slack hangers that I got from Amazon, and then whatever I'm not using, I'm actually putting it on the ladder. You guys see that white ladder right there? Well, everything that I no longer want and I'm giving away, I'm putting it on the ladder, so I know to put those in the giveaway bag. Got the pants done And these are the hangers that are left over. We probably got rid of at least 25 pairs of pants that I honestly have not used in maybe a year, maybe 2. That's honestly how I was narrowing down how to get rid of them. If I haven't worn them, if I've never worn them, there's no reason for them to be here. So section 1 done. So now we've made it over to the colorful side of my closet, which is really funny because I don't wear too much color, but I do like color and pattern. So everything here is pretty much color coordinated. As you can see on top, I have the brighter colors, and then on the bottom is going to be all the patterns. So floral tops, striped tops, any kind of design goes there. And I do color coordinate everything. I got into this habit a long time ago, and it just makes my closet look so much more aesthetically pretty, but also just helps me keep everything in order and I know where everything is at. So personally, I like it. I don't have a problem with the way it looks. But yeah, this is like the only side you're gonna see with a ton of color.
The next day.
All right, update. We are now moving into the long dresses and robe side. Honestly, when have you guys seen me wear a long dress? It's very rare, but I keep them just in case. They are kind of like an essential item to kind of have around birthday parties, weddings, baby showers, you know, whatever you got going on. Always keep some good long dresses. And then, can you guys see all the robes I have? I have a robe obsession. I don't know if you guys know, but now you know. I love robes, and I have them in every color, every fabric, every style. I'm obsessed. I feel like we are making so much progress in here. Believe it or not, I think I'm on like bag 2 or 3 of things I'm donating. But what I'm doing now is just putting away the final pieces that were left on the counters. So all the tops, all the hangers, putting away all the small tees, chonies, socks, all that good stuff in the drawers. Just doing like the little things right now. But as for all the hangers, I'm putting them away in one of the cabinets just so they're not taking up too much space inside of the closet. And then over here, I'm moving into the small dresses. So this is one that was taking me a while to get through because I hold on to a lot of dresses just in case, special occasion and whatnot. But there were some that I had to let go. Some of them don't fit anymore. And some of them I'm just never gonna wear. You know, sometimes it's hard for me to let go of every single item. I just like to pretend that I'm gonna wear them one day. But yeah, if it's been more than 2 years, it's got to go.
The next day.
Day 3 of cleaning out this closet. It's taking me a long time, but it was actually a lot more work than it looks like. I've really cut down this video a lot because Everything's taking me hours and hours and hours, pulling everything out, going through every single piece, also cleaning the shelves off. It's been a year since I've done any of this. So it's taking me a while, but I'm happy that we're almost done, and we are now moving into the shoe section. So doing the same thing, cleaning the shelves, going through every shoe, and I'm going to start pulling everything that I no longer use and putting it inside of the donation bag. So we're actually on bag number 4, and these aren't small bags. These are the huge, big bags that can fit like a whole person inside. They are deep and they are heavy duty, so they have so much clothes in there, and I'm so excited to be donating everything. So I always get asked where I donate stuff, and to be honest with you guys, I usually send everything to women's shelters. There's so many women's shelters out there that need clothes for these women that are trying to get back on their feet, whether they are coming from like a bad place at home or they were homeless before. Hold on, airplane coming through. There's just so many reasons to give to women's shelters, so I always try to donate everything I can there. Right now with COVID, a lot of them are closed, so unfortunately this time around I will be donating everything to Mexico, which I'm very excited about. Sebastian's mom goes to Guadalajara every couple of months. This time around I gave her pretty much everything, and she took it out there to give back to some pueblos in the area. But yeah, guys, we are almost done. I feel excited about it. So it's probably the last time I'm going to check in with you guys. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. So go ahead and relax, enjoy, get inspired, and organize your space. Okay, I know I said I wasn't going to talk anymore, but I do need to point out something. So I'm folding my t-shirts, and folding these have always been kind of a struggle to me until I found this method that a lot of stores do. It's by using that cardboard right there. You guys see that? That is allowing for me to get the perfect fold on my t-shirts. It makes them look as nice as they look in stores. If you guys find a piece like this, I highly recommend doing it. It's a space saver, and it also makes everything look aesthetically really organized and pretty. And I just recommend it for those big t-shirts that you do not know how to fold. And lastly, I'm gonna clean all of the glass. This was an absolute mess. I don't think I've ever cleaned them since I moved in, to be honest with you guys, but I love that spray glass cleaner. I actually just discovered it recently and it's so good. So I'm doing that and taking a microfiber cloth to clean them off from top to bottom. I did clean a couple of them before, the ones that were like super dirty, and that's what, you know, gave me the idea to clean all of them. But yeah, this glass stuff is so bomb. So we have made it to the last area that needs to get cleaned, which is my vanity. And this is actually my favorite part of the closet. I think it's so pretty. I love the mirror and I just love the way it looks. So I like this area to be super, super clean. And pretty much I'm just putting away everything that needs to go back in its home. So clothes have got to go back in the drawer, some jewelry, the facial steamer, some hair ties. I mean, it's just little things. And this is always like the final stuff when cleaning. I have a trick that I like to do. I don't know if you guys do this, but I actually like to take my blow dryer and run the blow dryer through the drawers because this is where I get ready for my hair. So a lot of hair kind of gets trapped in some spots. So taking the blow dryer in will really just kind of get all the dust and hair out of there. And I don't know, it just makes it like extra clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, keep wiping things down, putting it back in its home. And that is it. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys like the final on how the drawers look as well. This is where I store all of my hair accessories and essentials. So bobby pins, hair ties, clips, scrunchies. And then I have my brushes all on one side, and here I have headbands because you guys know I love to wear headbands. 3 days later, we are completely done. Feels really good in here as well. And then we got the vanity nice and clean as well. And again, it's been a while since I've seen this countertop clean and clothes slash makeup slash hair products free, so I love it. So here are the 4 bags that I'm going to be donating, and I just remembered that I actually have one more bag in the garage that I need to add to all of this, but I can't wait to give it away. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, thumbs it up, subscribe before you leave. Los quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys next time.